Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes on Turbotax step by step, updated. Open Turbotax and pick the product that matches your situation, then gather W-2s, 1099s, and receipts. Create or sign into your account using a secure network and enable two-factor authentication. Select federal or state returns first and keep forms nearby. I'll walk you through choosing filing status, entering income, and claiming common deductions clearly and calmly. Start by entering each W-2 exactly as it appears, using copy-paste or manual entry and double-checking employer ID. Next, add 1099 forms for contract work or investment income, including freelancer earnings and dividends. Use Turbotax prompts to import data when available to save time and reduce errors. Be sure to add any unemployment or interest income and confirm totals before moving to deductions and credits to avoid mismatches. Use Turbotax's deduction finder to compare the standard deduction versus itemizing and pick the option that lowers your tax bill. Enter retirement contributions, education credits, and child tax credits carefully to maximize savings. Include deductible medical expenses and charitable gifts only when they exceed thresholds, and upload receipts for records. Turbotax will flag potential credits and audit risks, so you can review each item before proceeding to the review and filing stage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.